Hi guys! Today you will learn how to use one button to perform many tasks, how to create comfort in the house with the help of unusual things, and how to pay less on your electric bill. You'll find links to all the products from the video in the description. Would you like to free yourself from doing household cleaning once and for all? Well, say hello to the newest miracle of the year, Roborock S6, who does all the dirty work for you. At the touch of a button on your smartphone, the Roborock turns on, maps out every room in your home in real time with 14 different sensor types, and gets to work. Making its way around any obstacle, it even vacuums those hard-to-reach places under the sofa or bed without missing a single speck. But that's nothing compared to how thoroughly it will clean your entire floor. You just have to fill the container with water, put a rag on it, and watch it go. Thanks to the built-in laser navigation system, you don't ever need to worry about it crashing into or breaking something or falling downstairs. Roborock automatically switches to maximum power when cleaning carpet, which guarantees it won't miss anything. It also makes very little noise, so you can clean it any time of the day or night. For example, schedule a cleaning once a week via the MI Home app. You can send it to specific rooms or just clean an entire level of the house all at once. And as an added bonus, it has the largest battery of its class. It can go without charging for up to 3 hours, so it's ideal even for large homes. Now you can control your door lock from anywhere in the world. Open the front door with the help of Siri, check on your iPhone to see whether the door is closed, and see who and when it was opened. You can also choose the option with the numeric keypad to set a secret password to enter the door. This smart lock is compatible with most iOS devices and with some models of smartphone with Android 6.0 and higher. A list of compatible models is available on the manufacturer's website. This lock is friendly with smart home systems and various smart devices. Yeah, now your house will be smart from the very doorstep. And this is the Smart Lock's friend, a stylish modern thermostat. Thanks to the function of learning, it remembers your preferences and daily routine and efficiently regulates the temperature in your home. That is, it saves electricity. For example, when everyone leaves the house or goes on vacation, on average, you'll save up to 12% on heating bills and 15% on cooling bills. Definitely, this thing is useful for the family budget. In modern life, almost everything has become smart, and with one button, you can solve many problems now. For example, you can turn on music, send data about your location, order a taxi, send a message, do many other interesting things. All you need to do is configure the button in a special app. The button can be glued to any surface, and you can also attach it to your clothes with a clip. Comment below what routine tasks you would shift to such a button. The following useful gadget is a smart weighing scale. It will measure your weight and remember all your weigh-ins. For additional motivation, it's compatible with smartphones on Android 4.4 and above. It needs 4 AA batteries to operate. The maximum allowable weight for the scale, 330 pounds. In addition, the scale looks stylish and will fit into any interior. If you are tired of old screwdrivers and having to work with them, we found an automatic screwdriver with replaceable bits. It's packed in a stylish and ergonomic package, so it doesn't take up much space. The screwdriver is charged by USB, has manual and automatic working modes, and LED backlight to work in the dark. Do you think this is a good home assistant? If you care about the quality of the air you breathe, take a look at this filter. It has a 3-stage filtration system and removes about 99% of mold spores, unpleasant odors, fine pollen, and other allergy triggers. It also filters particles ranging in size from 0.3 microns and more. Most importantly, watch the color of the filter to change it in a timely manner. The device has a 1-year warranty and lifetime free support. And this is a Wi-Fi router. You gotta admit, it doesn't look like a router. Nevertheless, it can operate in 2 ranges of wireless networks, 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, and has a high degree of protection against external threats. It also has a parental control feature that allows you to easily view, manage, and plan the use of the internet in your family from any mobile device. Integration with Amazon Echo and Alexa allows you to manage your home network with the help of voice commands. It's really an unusual router, isn't it? Printed photos will probably never go out of fashion. Why don't we place them in a nice frame? For example, a rotating cube. With this photo frame, all your best memories will be visible and become an interesting interior detail. It's quite an unusual frame, isn't it? Next on our list, speakers with dancing fountains. These are suitable for any audio device that has a 3.5 millimeter jack. As soon as you turn on the music, the water in the speakers will begin to fountain to the beat. And thanks to the colorful backlight, you can watch this beauty even in the dark. These speakers are sold in different designs, so you'll definitely find something to suit your taste. This is another common object in a modern design. This is an LED bulb that was able not only to change the color of its glow, but turn into a real candle also. This playing light will definitely give extra comfort and warm atmosphere to your home. Of course, you can control the bulb glow with your smartphone. However, that's no surprise nowadays. Comment below what smart gadgets you have in your home and what you like the most in today's selection. See you soon.